Siglent SDS2000XHD oscilloscopes are available in 100, 200, and 350 MHz bandwidths. The series features Siglent's new 12-bit A to D converter that provides up to 2 gigasamples per second sample rate, coupled with a deep memory of 200 megapoints per channel. The large 10.1-inch display capacitive touchscreen supports multi-touch gestures that enable you to drag, move, or scale the traces easily. The HD also supports external mouse and keyboard connectivity to simplify common front panel operations. Remote control and monitoring has never been easier. Simply connect the scope to a LAN, open a browser window, and enter the scope IP address. Easily access measurement data and analyze it without needing to access the oscilloscope or be in the lab. The SDS2000XHD has an incredibly low front-end noise floor of just 76 microvolts RMS at full bandwidth. The ultra-low noise floor, large offset voltage, and high resolution make the HD series ideal for power supply, new energy, communications, and medical testing. It does so by delivering more signal details more quickly and more efficiently than ordinary scopes. The SDS2000XHD not only has excellent small signal capture ability, but also has many powerful debug and analysis tools. It supports automatic measurements on 50-plus parameters, 2 math traces, and includes a formula editor with custom operations for complex nested mathematical operations. The hardware-accelerated FFT function uses up to 2 megapoints of time domain data, which delivers a high spectral refresh rate with superior spectral resolution. The FFT also includes automatic peak markers to deliver a spectrum analyzer user experience. For serial decoding applications, the HD includes I2C, SPI, UART, CAN, and LIN decoding, and features options for CAN-FD, FlexRay, I2S, Mill Standard 1553B, CENT, and Manchester protocols. It utilizes a hardware-based mask test function, performing up to 80,000 pass-fail decisions each second. The built-in mask editor tool makes it easy to create and edit user-defined templates for faster design verification. The built-in 25 MHz signal generator delivers standard function and arbitrary waveform output and can be used with the onboard Bode plot function to provide frequency response curves for component testing, as well as phase and gain margin tests for power supply design. The integrated design reduces workspace requirements and simplifies the measurement process. The optional power analysis software includes power quality, harmonics, switching loss, output ripple, transient response, power efficiency, and more, which can help users quickly characterize the real-world performance of their power supply designs. For digital analysis, the HD has an optional 16-channel logic analyzer probe, part number SPL2016, for multi-channel logic triggering and decoding. Triggering and decoding are applicable to all digital and analog channels, which enable solid mixed signal acquisition and analysis. The Siglent SDS2000XHD 12-bit high-resolution digital oscilloscope. Excellent hardware performance combined with an easy user interface and powerful tools make it ideal for power supply design, high-precision sensors and actuators, medical devices, laser research, RF modulated signals, and medical imaging systems.